Can't say this on film.
What do you mean you can't say it on film? I've made a new rule. We don't cut anything out the vlogs. Anyway, what is happening, people? We have got a MK8 golf episode. It's been a few weeks, maybe a month, but Ryan has got a brand new splitter kit. It's front splitter, side skirts, diffuser, spoiler. We'll go through that in a minute. We're going to get it on the ramp. Ryan doesn't know. We're going to make him do most of the work today because I'm not getting dirty. Not Ryan! But we're going to get Ryan to quickly give us an overhaul of what's been done to the car so far. Hello. Tell me that Ryan builds a car and has no idea what he's doing.
What we've got here is, correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm saying this wrong, ZAERO design kit, which includes the spoiler, diffuser, side skirt splitters, and a front splitter. Front splitter's in 3 pieces, so I'm just kind of making it look as if it is. We've got something like that.
The other one, that's the end. See, now look, now he knows what he's doing.
Side skirt splitters, diffuser.
This is quite aggressive, by the way.
Spoiler. And they've all got wee bits that you've got the gel badge to go on it, which I'll show you from here.
Which these are the bits that I like. These are showing like it's all
rear
detailed.
Diffuser, installation manual with your wee tabs, rear spoiler, 3M tape, and all your wee gel badges in there. But thanks to Nathan at Autoid.
Big up R23.
And as far as I'm aware, it's going to be the first in the UK with it, so get again fitted.
We've
got the front bumper smooth.
Yeah, it's great.
Dirty, right?
Everyone that details cars.
So we've got the grills all done gloss black with these wee insert bits here. We've got the wheels powder coated silver, because I can't stand diamond cut.
Can't for the English and the non-Scottish, it's can't rather than canny.
Can't. And then roof wrapped, 3M high gloss, black. The bit in the spoiler done the same. Why are you laughing at me?
It's such a pause for black.
There was.
And then Kev here for a full machine and ceramic coating.
By the way, you ceramic the bumper and he just wipes it with his sleeve.
Does it all the time. Exhaust. We've got the
Exhaust.
fitted.
Once the diffuser's on, we'll get a couple of revs to hear the...
Res delete and back box delete.
So basically a catback with nothing in it. Kevin, I'm just going to give you a reminder when you watch this video, he's still not taking this home. Don't belong in
It's
this.
going to get smooth. The
Yeah,
zipper's going to get done.
there is some number hole.
Dealerships like they just drill holes right through. The wiper is coming off in this episode as well.
Kennel wipers. Ryan done some wrapping of his own. I've not seen it. Oh, that's it. Yep. That's a nice little touch. Apart from that, that is a new look. Well, not the new look. That's the updated. So now let's bounce into some clips of fitting the kit. This is a bit that Ryan gets scared. No, watch. Okay, this didn't work.
Face.
Is there anything?
Got it.
Oh my god, what are you doing? Right, no, he's got the tool. Sam's got the tool.
You don't need the tool.
I've seen windows getting smashed.
I'm a magician. It's more effort. Ryan's given the glass a clean up. We've got to put the adhesive around this and apply it on. We'll put some tape probably on the back of it so that it sits in nicely and you just leave that to dry. There she goes. You know what, when someone's filming you but they decide to put the camera right in the light, we kind of make it look like I don't have a clue of what I'm doing with cars. And we go and apply. Simple as that. Don't touch it. No, there's not even any excess. Right, we need some tape. I don't think you have to do this, but I always just do this. I feel like
For
it's
what,
that,
the R8?
Yeah, deep wiper my R8, the back window so you can see.
Does the R8 actually have a rear wiper?
For my southerly friends, this is a shank. And I'm having nothing to do with this scratching. Ooh. Oh, look at that. It's like I'm a professional, Ryan.
Don't speak too soon.
Don't? What do you mean?
Just to completely forget about that.
I'm not taking it off.
So do you have to wait till we
But
do
don't
that?
touch that. Spoiler's going on first. So we've applied all of the double-sided tape. So fitting, or fitment I should say, is really, really good.
It's not like these big chunky. Get one of them.
So this is meant to be for a Mark 8 Golf.
The sheet do. You know what I mean? Put stupid things like that on it. Whereas
That's getting launched.
I don't even know why I put it on that.
10 times better.
It's flush.
Flush, no big massive lips, fits really nice around the edges. And from under here, it looks rather aggressive. Right, you can put this on now. Simple as that. No, you've got to do the honours though. That don't look too shabby. Simple as this. Sorry, automotive passion. Oh, it actually slots in. Hold on, let me sort you out, boys. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Looks quite good, that.
10 out of 10.
I can't believe this is getting self-tackled.
I can't believe it's not butter. There is actually a correct procedure to do this. Ryan does not mix well with splitters, so we're leaving this nice and easy for replacements. So, for those who don't know, I've started a YouTube channel. My own YouTube channel, not Steve's YouTube channel. I am rebuilding a crashed Fiesta. The goal is, I'm going to build it like my last white one, which was 300 odd brake, and the end result, a series of races between me and Stephen.
I'm not racing you in your stupid Fiesta.
Pull the doors clean out the R8.
Everyone needs to understand, there is no gain for me. I'm going to beat him, but I have no gain, it's a Fiesta.
Not going to beat me.
All he wants to do is race me, so he goes, my Fiesta can beat an R8. I'll race you in the S13.
I'll pull the paint off that. I'm just saying it's going to be faster than Stephen's R8.
To be fair, that tanked Stephen his R8 in my S3.
Oh, there we go. See, there's a thing that these lot need to remember, right?
my S3 was broke.
See, apparently when they're all racing me, I'm in comfort and cruising listening to Taylor Swift. While I'm apparently racing them.
Oh.
Whoa! Definitely not break the camera. This is definitely AutoID's preferred method of installation. This is called yank it until you make it.
This is just what happens when you come from watching Nathan's videos. I mean, usually I should have just flung it at the car and it would be alright.
That is true. Ryan, you're going to need to give this a bit of a wipe. It's not going to look very nice.
I fucked my heat.
My heat? Why, did you headbutt
You
something?
would have got me smacking my heat. I think I fucked my heat off
What am I
that.
trying to say? Translation.
I hurt my head.
So for the English or Scottish translation is he hit his head.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, I hit my head.
Leave my Lexus here and take the Fiesta then.
Just for context,
I'm getting my XD energy.
Bevy's Fiesta that's going to smoke everyone has currently been front-ended and can't be put on the road. And he's talking about fucking smoking everyone.
I'll bring it out with half a bumper, mate.
Oh, go on then. Go get it. Go and look at Bevy's YouTube because he's going to be building a broken Fiesta. So anything to go off of how he's looked after the rear lips on his Lexus, I feel sorry for the Fiesta. I ain't going to be smoking no one.
Right, I'm just...
You say I don't. You say I don't.
Right. Rear lips regardless, right? Its main purpose is literally to receive death every time it gets turned on. So it's going to be fucked.
Ryan, are you going to keep backseat driving while you get everyone to build your car for you?
I'm the only one that knows what we're doing here, right?
Yeah, alright.
Oh,
Take it off.
Oh, there we go. Look, we're in. What are we listening to you on? I want
Funny
to
how
do...
Steve doesn't need to duck. Simple as
That won't call. Gone out my way, helping do your car. Now you're just mugging off my height. Just so everyone's noticed, yet again, this is me and Bevy doing this, and look at what Ryan's doing.
Well, we did say we were going to do episodes of the golf on your page.
To be fair, it's free content for you.
Agree. Oh, why is he so aggressive?
This is the most toxic vlog on the S30 BMX channel.
100% is. It's normally quite productive and good,
Push
but
that again.
this one's just becoming quite angry. Question: anyone been watching the new Love Island? Bevy, I'm going on.
Hold on, because somebody's hoffa jobbed it and left this screw off.
Steve.
Why are you throwing shade my way like that for? You know that wouldn't have been me. I'm more tidier than you are when it comes to working.
Passable.
Bevy was bullying me. I'm just helping fit inside skirts. Am I on? I'm peeling and everything. I'm scared. I feel like I don't really want to commit yet because Bevy will tell me off.
I think there's a body line that you go with.
Yeah, I think there is as well. So if I pull that out, that was alright, wasn't it? That one went a bit better. Why am I getting the fucking blame for everything?
Because you went above the body line and now it's fucking hanging.
I'm not getting blamed. As far as I'm aware. Oh no, I've gone above the body line. We can pull it off. Right, I'm not putting this on. Right, there. Are we saying there? Send it.
Final wee touches, look.
I'm going to call it a low-line body kit. So he's gone gloss black splitter. It is in 3 pieces, but once you build it, you would have no clue whatsoever. And then if you step into my office, I fitted these side skirts absolutely excellently. Side skirts on the side, really aggressive looking gloss black diffuser, which once this is down, that's going to look sick. Up there is a roof spoiler, we'll see in a minute. All in all, it's the silly things on these cars that Golfs, S3s, everything like that, when you put splitters, diffusers, side skirts and stuff on them, they just transform the car again. So they're going to pull it off the ramp, go and air it out, and we can see the final masterpiece.
Cheers to Nathan at Autoid for hooking us up with the full ZAERO design kit. It's a shame, me powder coating the wheels silver, thought it was going to be a big difference, but to be fair, it kind of ruins the car now, so we'll go on to getting a set of wheels for it.
The car's done. It looks absolutely sick with the new low-line kit on it. This has been episode 3 of the MK8 build. Different set of wheels on their way, I believe, and it's going to absolutely transform it even more. We've even got Ryan coming to more shows this year, so Ryan will be coming to Ultimate Dubs with us in March. You'll be able to find Ryan on the airlift stand with his MK8 Golf. Apart from that, let me know what you think of the car. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.